Today while geocaching, a seal and I compared diets. Hi, I'm Michael Wright, and I'm a traveling, adventuring, geocaching type of guy. I love to get out and explore new places and find cool hidden treasures. Well, sort of treasures, it's mostly toys, honestly. This is Adventures and Things. So today I want to show you one of my favorite places in Victoria, British Columbia while we grab a geocache. The name of the place happens to be the name of the geocache, which is Fisherman's Wharf. Awesome place. There's floating houses, possibly a seal. Let's go get this cache. This is where I try to convince you this will be epic with epic music. But it's not all that epic, so here's an Irish song. Fisherman's Wharf is a nice hidden gem in Victoria BC, about a 15 to 16 minute walk from the inner harbor in downtown. It is worth the stroll to get here. And if you're anything like me and haven't eaten since you started on this journey in downtown, you'll be famished. So why not stop for some lunch? And now for an awkward lunch without me talking to the camera for some reason. I'm eating chicken and beef tacos. What are other locals eating? I'm eating fish! Sounds delicious. The Greater Victoria Harbour Authority has set aside 33 berths specifically for these float homes. These float homes are hooked up with water and sewage, hopefully different plumbing. Not sure why I told you that, but I hope it helps you in your life somehow. I don't know why, but when I'm at a wharf like this, I think of pirates. I know it's a fisherman's wharf, and these are in fact fishermen who sell their catches when there's no COVID, but I always think of pirates. So anyways, I'm gonna go get me booty. Ha-ha. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see this. With my 360, check it out. Bloop. Well, that was actually quite easy, but I just wanted to come out and show you the Fisherman's Wharf. This is one of my all-time favorite places in Victoria. The first time that I came here a few years ago with me Faja, it just blew me away. So anyways, if you like this, click the me likey button. If you haven't already, subscribe, and well, I'll see you later.